let's talk more about passing notes because these are really important. There's a lot of things you can do with passing notes. Let us remember that good melody has a lot of passing notes, right? Good melodies are mostly notes by step, right? With some leaps here and there for added variety, right? So composers have used these concepts for centuries, even the best composers, because it's more natural for the human voice to sing steps than to sing leaps. Again, more melodic. We can do the same thing in the bass. This is more advanced, but let's get back to the key of A minor. So in the bass we have a third. Same thing, we can insert B in between these thirds. You see, it already starts to sound much more melodic and contrapuntal.